Let's talk about adding a left-hand pattern to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. A left-hand pattern will create a little more excitement, make you sound like a real professional when you play this, but it still uses the same chords as your left hand. So let's take a look at the first few notes of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star the way we learned it the last time. Okay, so that's the basic way we learned it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the left hand chords and make a pattern out of them. So we're going to arrange the notes to where they're not played at the same time but played one at a time. So here's the pattern. That's a famous left hand pattern that's been used by classical composers and piano players for hundreds of years. It's called an Alberti bass pattern. So now we're going to put your pinky on C and play our C chord, and the way it works is it's a 4-note pattern, and the 4 notes are the bottom note of the chord, in this case it's C, the top note of the chord, which will be G, the middle, E, and G. So the pattern is bottom, top, middle, top. Okay, so that's the left hand pattern. Now, let's try it now with the right hand, and what we're going to do is play the right hand melody, and we're going to play the left hand pattern very slowly, and you can watch the first time just to see how it works. But there's going to be, for every 1 note in the right hand, there's going to be 2 notes from the left hand pattern I just showed you. So I'll go nice and slow so you can watch it. So that should give you a good idea of how to play the pattern. Now it's easy to understand and visualize and understand what's going on, but it does take a little bit of time to coordinate the hands. So don't expect this to happen instantly. It's going to take a little bit of coordination, but once you get it, it sounds very impressive to people, and we'll be able to use this on many other songs in the future. So go slow and work through Twinkle Twinkle with the Alberti bass pattern, and try it with a metronome or with a play along so you can do it in time, and you'll sound like a real professional. So have fun with it, and we'll see you back and learn more songs with the chords.